Have you ever wondered why some people suffer a heart attack first thing in the morning, even when they felt completely fine the night before? Here's something that may surprise you. Many cardiologists pay close attention to what happens during the first hour after waking up, because that's when your heart faces one of the biggest challenges of the entire day. But there's one simple morning habit that researchers believe may help reduce that risk. The incredible part? It doesn't require expensive supplements, a strict diet, or hours at the gym. Yet millions of people unknowingly skip it every single day. And before the end of this video, I'll explain why this tiny habit could matter more than your morning coffee. And I'll also reveal the common morning mistake that might be putting unnecessary stress on your heart.
Hello viewers, I'm your AI doctor, Dr. Henry Paul. Welcome to my channel. Here, we explore important health topics, uncover the causes behind common medical conditions, and share practical science-based tips to help you live a healthier life. Whether you want to prevent disease, understand your symptoms, or improve your overall well-being, you're in the right place. So, subscribe to the channel, and let's begin your journey toward better health together.
Imagine your heart as the engine of a car. All night long, that engine has been idling. Then suddenly, you wake up. Your body releases stress hormones. Your blood pressure rises, your heart rate increases, your blood becomes slightly more likely to clot. It's almost like someone suddenly presses the accelerator without warming up the engine first. This is why cardiologists have long known that the early morning hours are one of the highest risk times for heart attacks and strokes. But here's where the story gets interesting. If this natural morning surge can't be completely avoided, can we help the heart prepare for it? Keep watching, because the answer might be simpler than you think. Several years ago, a patient in his early 60s visited a cardiology clinic. He wasn't overweight. He exercised occasionally. His cholesterol wasn't terrible. Yet he experienced chest pain almost every morning. Doctors ran multiple tests. Eventually, they noticed something surprising. His mornings were rushed. He jumped out of bed, skipped water, hurried to work, and was constantly stressed before breakfast. After making a few simple morning changes, not medications at first, his symptoms became much less frequent. Now, every person is different, but stories like this remind us that how we begin the day can influence how our cardiovascular system responds. And one habit stood out above the rest. After sleeping for 6 to 8 hours, your body naturally loses water through breathing and sweating. That means you wake up slightly dehydrated. For many healthy people, this isn't dangerous. But even mild dehydration can make your heart work a little harder. Your blood volume decreases. Your heart pumps more forcefully. Your blood pressure regulation becomes more challenging. Think of it like trying to pump syrup instead of water through a garden hose. The thicker the fluid, the harder the pump must work. Could something as simple as rehydrating help your heart? We're getting closer. Here's the habit many cardiologists encourage. Drink a glass of water shortly after waking up, before coffee. Not because water magically prevents heart attacks, it doesn't. But starting your day well hydrated may help your cardiovascular system transition more smoothly after sleep. It also encourages healthier morning routines overall. Some people even combine this with sitting quietly for a minute before rushing into the day. Simple, free, easy to remember. But don't leave yet. Because many people unknowingly cancel out these benefits with one very common morning mistake. Picture this. The alarm rings. You immediately grab your phone. Emails, news, social media, stress. Within minutes, your brain is flooded with information. Stress hormones begin climbing. Your heart responds. Now imagine adding caffeine on an empty stomach while rushing out the door. For many healthy adults, coffee is perfectly fine. But combining dehydration, stress, lack of sleep, and rushing creates a much heavier workload for the heart. It's not usually one habit. It's the combination that matters. And there's another overlooked factor that's even more important than water.
Before we continue, I'd like to ask you something. Have you noticed even one of these warning signs in yourself? Maybe unusual fatigue, shortness of breath, or discomfort that didn't seem quite right? If so, type yes in the comments. I read as many comments as I can because this channel isn't just about sharing information, it's about helping people recognize problems before they become emergencies. And if today's video is helping you, click the like button. It helps YouTube share this information with more people who may need it. Now let's continue, because the next warning sign is one many people overlook for years.
The second morning habit, gentle movement. Not an intense workout, just a slow walk. Light stretching, easy mobility exercises. Why? Movement helps improve circulation. It wakes up your muscles. It gradually raises your heart rate, instead of shocking your body into sudden activity. Think about warming up a car on a cold morning. You wouldn't floor the accelerator immediately. Your heart appreciates a gradual start too. Here's something many people don't realize. The healthiest morning routine isn't necessarily the most complicated one. Research consistently shows that basic lifestyle habits, good sleep, hydration, healthy eating, regular activity, stress management, and controlling blood pressure have a far greater impact than trendy wellness hacks. Sometimes the simplest habits are the most powerful. That's both surprising and reassuring. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, a history of heart disease, kidney disease, or you're over age 60, your morning routine deserves even more attention. That doesn't mean you should become fearful. It means you should become intentional. Small daily habits add up over months and years. And that's exactly how heart health is built. Earlier, I mentioned that one mistake can be dangerous if warning signs are ignored. Here it is. Never assume chest discomfort is just heartburn, especially if it's accompanied by shortness of breath, pain spreading to the arm, jaw, back, or shoulder, cold sweating, nausea, sudden dizziness. If these symptoms appear, seek emergency medical care immediately. Minutes matter. The earlier treatment begins, the greater the chance of protecting heart muscle.
If today's video helped you understand your heart a little better, I'd truly appreciate it if you clicked the like button. It helps YouTube share this information with more people who may benefit from it. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I share practical, evidence-based health advice designed especially for adults over 50. And before you leave, I'd love to hear from you. Which warning sign surprised you the most? Or is there a healthy habit you've recently started that's made a difference in your life? Share your experience in the comments below. You never know who your story might encourage. Thank you for spending these minutes with me. I'm Dr. Henry Paul. Until next time, take care of your heart, take care of your health, and take care of the people you love. I'll see you in the next video.